Let's go pitch my tent here. The Meili snow mountain, which is here, but obviously we cannot see it with the clouds.
Bruh.
That's already very, very cool. My installation is done.
Oh,
I have my mattress, sleeping bag, book, and a pillow. Time for dinner now. So for my dinner, I have one banana, some white chocolate that I have to finish, some Tibetan snacks. It's made of yak milk. It's pretty good. Dried fruits that I have for 3 months, I think. I'm quite high on altitude right now. I think maybe 2,700, 800, something like that.